everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy. So I have not done any videos lately. I have been, actually I have a little scare, just, a little personal thing that I'm doing. I will be making a video of that shortly. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you what I got in this month's Ipsy. I just get the regular small Ipsy bag. So it came like this. Super pretty. I love the bag this month. And let's see what we get in here. I don't know, do I have a little card? Yeah, I think I have a little card. And here is this. It says it's a Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. Not another primer. So it's by Ciate London. All right, so I got a primer. Something. It says Barbie. This is a fragrance. Define Me fragrance. Barbie. Uh-oh. I hope it's floral. Not floral. I hope it's fruity, I mean. I'm going to spray the bag here. Let's see. I don't know, I really can't tell. It smells a little floral to me. So, I got my hair cut. I wasn't supposed to get all these layers. I told her I just wanted just long layers, like all the way, like long layers, like they'd be like long. And instead, because my hair is so short now, they're like short layers. But the good thing about hair is it grows back. So, let's see. It says, what does it say it is? A pop of floral. Alrighty, a pop of floral. There it is. All right, so then I've got this body lotion, Wildflower Field. And this is Memoir Archives Wildflower Field Lotion. Again, it's floral. And it's sealed. So don't think I'm going to be opening this anytime soon. All right, and then I got this little, looks like a little lippy. I think I chose this, a Real Her mini lipstick in Celebrate Diversity is the name of the color. So let's check it out. Let's see the color. I put some lipstick on already. Let's see. Yeah, kind of a mauve-y color, kind of maybe close to what I have on now. I'll keep it. All right. So in this bag, I got one last thing, and it was a palette. And for this 15, I think I added this on for like $3.50. So it's just another little palette. I think this was an add-on. Could be wrong. I don't remember. I've got so much on my mind, you guys. Okay, but here's the palette. It is a Pear Nova eyeshadow palette. So I had a giveaway where I was giving away a palette and some eyeliner slash lip liner things that I got from Temu. And that person did not watch my last video, so did not know they won. So unfortunately, even if they watch this video and go back and realized, oh wait, I won, it's too late. It's been like 2 weeks. It's been at least a week, I think, maybe not 2, but it's too late. So I'm going to move on and we are going to select a new winner to that giveaway. So what it was an eyeshadow palette. I think I have it right here. No, I don't. I have it up there. It was an Ipsy eyeshadow palette. And again, some lip liners and eyeliners. I'm not with it today, you guys. All right, let's see who won. Tabby's Hauls and Everything. So you won my giveaway. Today is, what day is today? Sunday. It's the 18th. Of February. So you have until, I'm going to give you till Wednesday to get a hold of me before I go to bed on Wednesday. So to let you guys know what's going on, I am having a colonoscopy, and it's an emergency one. It's not standard. It's not my routine screening. I've been having signs of possible colon cancer, you know, and I'm going to go ahead and do a video on the whole thing, like from the prep to the colonoscopy itself to the results. And I wanted to do it kind of in one video, but you know, in 3 different parts, if you know what I mean. Like I'll probably unbox this today, and then later on when I start the prep, I will go into you know, record. It's kind of like a vlog, and then go into, you know, how the procedure went, and then go into the results. So that is kind of what's been on my mind. So sorry, I'm a little all over the place. I will also talk about my symptoms and everything in the unboxing, and that all that I just said about the whole thing. I'll talk about what symptoms I'm having and why I think that it is a very, very big possibility that there is something definitely wrong. Could be anything, could be a number of things, but from what I've been reading, unfortunately, it doesn't look good. But it might be, you know, who knows, right? My procedure is tomorrow, on the 19th of February. So right now I'm fasting. At 6 o'clock tonight, I have to start this lovely thing. If you've ever had a colonoscopy, you know how unpleasant this is. And then tomorrow at about 1:15 Central Standard Time, I go in for my colonoscopy to find out, you know, what's going on. I had a colonoscopy before, and they put me to sleep. I mean, they didn't put me to sleep that time. It was just kind of like you were kind of out of it. You didn't feel anything, but you were kind of out of it, but you were awake. Well, this one, they're putting me completely to sleep. So I don't know if it's just a new way of doing things, or if they're doing that because I'm systematic. Is that the right word? Symptomatic? Whatever. But you know what I mean. I'm not sure if it's just a new way of doing it, but I'm looking forward to being completely out. Completely out. Just put me out. I don't want to feel a thing. I don't want to know what you're doing. So yeah, that's going to be happening here tomorrow. Fun. And fun for me today too. I'm starving. It's like, I don't know, like 1 o'clock or something, and I haven't had anything to eat. And so yeah, fun times. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and Tabby's hauls and everything, get a hold of me. And thank you all so much. Oh, Tabby hauls and everything, get a hold of me in Instagram and email, both of which are in my description box. All right. So everyone, have a great day. Bye.